Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be making crepe spaghetti. So it is basically spaghetti but a dessert form, and so you guys might be wondering what in the world this is. But this recipe actually came to mind when I was making my Nutella crepe cake recipe, linked in the cards right here if you guys want to check it out. But for that recipe, for a lot of crepe recipes, you like trim off the edges of the crepes to make them like a nice consistent size, but you have so much left over, and I saw this somewhere and I tried googling it, I can't find it, but I saw that you can use crepes and like slice them into little strips and make it look like spaghetti, and I thought that that'd be so cool combined with macerated strawberries, which are my favorite thing to add to desserts when you need like an extra touch but you don't know what to add. So I thought that it would be really fun to make this look like spaghetti but for dessert. So let's get started. So first things first, we're going to make the macerated strawberries just because those take a little longer to make, longer as in like half an hour versus crepes take like no time at all. So it's so easy. All you need to do is get some chopped strawberries and mix them with some granulated sugar and mix them in quite well, and then just leave that for about half an hour. And in that time, the juices are going to release from the strawberries, and it's going to create like these like deliciously soft strawberries that are like slightly sweeter because of the sugar, but the sugar draws out a lot of that like delicious juice and it becomes so yummy. Like, oh my gosh, this is perfect just like in itself. If you want like a little fruit touch to a cake or any kind of dessert, you want to have like a little fruit side, but you don't just want like freshly chopped fruit, this is really awesome. So like save this little recipe in your recipe bank to use because you can use it in literally anything. So once those strawberries are like ready to go, like they're set aside and they're macerating, all you need to do is slice the crepes. So if you're making crepes fresh for this recipe, I'm going to definitely check out the Nutella crepe cake video because that includes the recipe for the crepes. You can slice them as thick or as thin as you like. Mine look more like fettuccine, but you can do whatever you like. If you want like more like spaghetti, thinner strips, just slice them into thinner strips and then place them on a plate kind of in a way to like make it look like spaghetti. So I kind of just like mounded some on top of each other and made it look like noodles. And then all you need to do is just simply spoon the macerated strawberries right on top. And then I dusted it with some icing sugar because it looks like Parmesan cheese. I thought that was so cool. But yeah, let me know if you guys try this recipe out. I thought it'd be really fun, and it's a good way to give you like a little hack to use up some leftover crepes if you have them. I was eating these on the couch afterwards, and Paddington was staring me down so hard. He was just sitting at me and like making eye contact the entire time I was eating them because he wanted them so badly. So I didn't even get any, but they're Paddington approved, at least from scent. If you guys don't know who Paddington is, he's my Pomeranian, and he's very food obsessed. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button and ring the little notification bell so you get notified when the next video goes live. Anyways, I love you guys so much, and I will see you tomorrow for another video. Bye!